What's up, everybody?
Hello, everyone. Today I have a very special guest with me. Tall, dark, handsome.
Four.
This is Jordan, my boyfriend.
Hey.
And he is joining us for our video tonight. Tonight is date night. And for this special date night, we are going to be unboxing some Fab Fit Fun boxes. So, as you guys already know, I am a Fab Fit Fun yearly subscriber. And Jordan here was jealous. He wanted a box, but as far as I know, there was no male Fab Fit Fun boxes until I fell for their ads again.
Marketing 101.
For every season that you get the box, they send you an email and they're like, check out any add-ons that you might want to add on to your box already. So I'm like, okay, I'm like shopping a little bit. I'm like, maybe I want something else, probably don't need it. And then all of a sudden, I see the MENS Fab Fit Fun box. And this is version 4. Like the gullible person I am, I added that baby to my cart, and here we are. So I got this for Jordan for an anniversary present. So just hold it up there, Jordan. Show what it looks like.
What's inside?
I also got my fall Fab Fit Fun box. We're gonna start with unboxing Jordan's. We'll show you guys what's inside, and then we're gonna move on to mine. I've decided to split this video up into 2 parts. So if you're looking to see my Fab Fit Fun box, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can see when I post the second part of this video.
Let's get to it.
Oh, he's already opened it, so he knows what's inside, but I know it's the first time you guys will be seeing this, so here we go.
This is an ice cube tray. I was a little taken aback when I saw this. Like, I mean, it's just an ice cube tray, but then I realized it's like ice cube on the rocks.
Here,
So,
I'm gonna show him what it looks like.
Like whiskey and like fancy drinks.
It's like if you're sophisticated and you want to have a big ice cube, you use this. Do you like this product?
I do, I just don't have much use for it. So I might put it on Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace.
I was gonna say, or maybe you could regift it to somebody that likes.
Yeah, someone who likes whiskey.
Let's check to see how much it was valued at.
Valued at $15.
$15.
I find that hard to believe. It's a piece of rubber, but Fab Fit Fun, you're lying.
What's the next item?
The next item is something I like products, you know, I like skincare, I like different types of shampoo. So I'm really into this, but unfortunately I just don't have a massive beard right now. But this is a beard oil.
So there it is, the beard oil.
It has...
What brand is it? This is the Marrakesh for Men, and it has argan and hemp oil therapy. Oh.
What?
It says a man-ish scent. That's what the scent is right there. Man-ish. What does that mean? I know you don't have a big beard, but I think even if you still put it in your little scruff, it'll keep you moisturized. It is valued at $22.99.
Pretty good.
And these are also American prices. And what's next, Jordan?
Next, complimentary to the beard oil is a shaving cream with aloe vera. Haven't really tried it or opened it.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
So it's shaving cream. And that was valued at $15. Okay, what's next?
Caffeinated shampoo and body wash. Caffeinated shampoo and body. Percy Nobleman caffeinated shampoo and body wash. Already used this twice. Highly recommend.
What do you like about it?
Good smell and washes your hair and.
Wait, does it make you feel clean?
Oh yeah. Valued at $18.
What's next?
Next item is a hip flask by Vintage Gentleman.
All right, let's see.
And it's cased in leather. It's valued, I think, at $29. So
It is.
it's pretty good quality and can certainly hold a lot of liquor to sneak into bars or weddings. Okay, the next three items are my top three favorites, just so we're clear. And I think I'm gonna do it from like 3 to 1 being the most favorite. But all these are definitely the winners of Fab Fit Fun box for him this time. So number 3 on the list is these lip balms. You get 3 of them. They're salt and stone and they're mint flavored. They're really good. I think they're organic base, made in California, all natural ingredients. And I get really dry lips, especially in the winters and in the summers. So good timing for having something like this. And you get 3 of them, not just 1. So that's what I was really excited about. I get a few.
It also says a matte finish, so I feel like that's good for men.
Yeah.
They don't want to seem like they're wearing lip gloss.
No.
My lips are actually kind of dry. Those were valued at $15. Ooh, it smells minty.
Next item. Next item I was really excited about. I've been wanting like just a classic dress watch, like very basic classic leather strap. And I've been getting these Instagram ads and almost fell sucker to them about a month or 2 ago for a brand called Maestro.
Those Instagram ads.
Yeah.
They work.
So anyway, I open up my Fab Fit Fun box and there's a Maestro watch in it. Leather strap, very classic face, Roman numerals, to what I've been looking for. So I was quite pleased with that. That is definitely one of the top gifts in the Fab Fit Fun box. It's valued at $160 US. So definitely the most valuable item in this box and really satisfied with it.
So this watch is valued at 3 times what I paid for this whole box.
Right.
So I'm like, okay, he's probably not going to use that. He's probably not going to use that. He might not use that. But I feel better because I know he's going to for sure wear this. Worth it.
The last item, and definitely number 1 in the whole Fab Fit Fun box for me, is so I like to cook and use different spices and stuff like that. Nothing too extravagant. Until I got these. So these are Gustus Vitae spices. I think they're made in California. And there's 2 spice blends that are provided. One is a garlic and pepper, and the other is a barbecue for seasoning of different types of foods and meats. And if you smell them, they're just so fresh and organic.
So good.
Look at inside there. Isn't that look good? So it's a blend of like chili powder, lime, garlic, dill, chives, paprika, salt, pepper, and some other things that just
This is the other one. Oops. This one is a garlic pepper rub.
So I think tomorrow I'm gonna make wings. Usually Sundays we make wings. That seems to be a thing.
So this one has California sea salt, garlic pepper, red bell pepper, and parsley.
Very good. Highly recommend.
Oh, look, and it tells you, it says give authentic flavor to
eggs.
and then it says eggs, green beans.
It's the same thing on here.
No, it's not.
Oh, no,
it's
not.
different pictures.
So this one's good for fish, burgers, steak, tacos, kebabs, mushrooms, chicken wings.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they have like a bunch of things right there.
Definitely #1 gift for me, and we'll get lots of use out of those spices. Overall, really happy with Fab Fit Fun for him, and certainly gonna try to get another one.
So I just want to let everyone know that this was Jordan's anniversary present from me, because we have now been dating for 4 years.
That's Fab Fit Fun for him.